Hey guys, this is a project that somebody, evidently several somebodies started, and the owner has asked me to see if I can figure out a better way to do this. But they put a roof over the ductwork, and the idea was to keep animals or weather off of it. And of course, they didn't put any shingles, any metal on there, and then the animals come in here anyway. Cover this area. Ductwork's uncovered several places where the animals climbed in throughout. And so we're going to take this down and do something different. And you'll watch us as we do that. So what we decided is we could keep the plywood and save the guy a lot of money. And we'll use that as a frame. And we're going to put metal here, and metal here. And so we're going to have to take apart one of those rafters that they use. So in this area, so we'll have something to screw to. And getting his problem taken care of for a budget. So that's what we're doing. Well, we come a long ways. We're putting metal. After we cut the front off, what we've done is move one of the rafters that was on the front here, put in a little bit of wood in here. We fastened metal on the sides. When we're putting metal on the roof, put a ridge gap. We'll take you through it as we go. But we're gonna have to go inside before we close this up and wrap up the ductwork. So we won't finish it right away, but we're gonna finish it today. So now we're getting all the ductwork sealed up. There's no exposed pipes or anything. Everything's wrapped up. All the edges of that insulation is sealed with foil tape, and there's a lot of problems all the way through there underneath, so we're getting there. Now we'll be covering up the front of this, and it won't be particularly high dollar. Of course, I'm trying to keep this on a budget, but it will look way better than it did. Profile's the best side. Anyway, the metal makes it look a lot better. If you notice, everything's out of square. It's now animal proof, probably person proof. That would have been a great hidey hole for a homeless person.
Oh yeah.
The animals made a mess of all the ductwork. We spent hours, I think, sealing that all up. But now he's got something that is going to last for a while, and everything's going to be appraising for better. So whenever the appraisers come out to say, hey, this property looks like it's worth this much, it doesn't look as bad as whatever was there before. Frankenstein, it's alive, kind of thing. But here we are on a budget. I'm probably charging $200 for the materials and then labor, and then he'll have a better situation we can go to the bank with.